All right, here's a 1958 Olympia SM3, and this comes in a streamlined case, the silver streamline, which a lot of people love. Sometimes it comes in a boxy, like two-tone yellow gray case. So on this one, you just pinch the two metal tabs here to open it. Particular typewriter comes with, it's really fun, we had the original paperwork with it and notes on it and the name of the person. Very interesting. Has the original cleaning kit and then also brochures and a manual. It doesn't have the cover for the manual, but it has a manual there. Okay, so to take out your typewriter, you'll see two levers on the side. Just press those down and lift up at the same time. And then again, as with every typewriter, pull forward because there's always a metal piece that's stuck inside the typewriter. So pull forward and not up. And that takes that out. So you can see here's the metal. So a lot of people think this goes inside the typewriter. It doesn't. And that might be hard for you to see, but I can't really adjust the camera. There is two prongs and then a metal tab on the top. And so the metal tab on the top is what slides into the typewriter. The two prongs, the bottom of the typewriter sits on that. So that's how that works. Okay, let's go ahead and put the case away. Okay, so here, this is a 1958 Olympia SM3, and it's in the dark green color, which is pretty common to see this, but it's a beautiful working machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unlock the carriage, because this carriage is locked. You can't move it, and that's what you want to do for storage or travel. So you unlock it with this lever right here, and so you see that kind of jolted over. That means it's unlocked now. Press it down on the right side and release the carriage, and you can hear the bell. Okay, to set your margins, you squeeze and drag the margins in. Here's the paper guide for you. And then your tabs, it's a manual tab stop. The tab button is here, but the tab stops are in the back. So I'll flip this up. And then you, just like the margins, you just press and drag on the tab stops. So the one in the middle doesn't seem to be working, but these will move. Okay. And it just could be because I had it upside down there. All right, this is your paper release. We did the carriage release, your lever to, return handle, and then this is your line advance. So single, double, triple line spacing button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then trying to think what's what here. Oh, there it is. This is the roller release. So you can, when you turn the roller, you can hear it clicking. To release the roller, so you can do fine-tune adjusting, you just push that down. It releases the roller. Just make sure you re-engage. Okay, let's pop open the top. And inside, you will see, I wonder if these are the original spools. I don't know. I haven't seen them look like this before, but you can use a standard universal ribbon inside of there. You can get extra ribbons on our website at jotandtittletypewriters.com. The link is in the description below. When it's time to change them, you just pull those arms back, pop up the ribbon, take that out, and then you can just pop one back in. It's super simple. There is an up-close image on our website. The link is below, and that image will show you how to thread it through on your escapement there. So make sure you get it through these double barrels, and these double barrels happen to be your, you can do either side, your ribbon reversal. So when you get to the end of the ribbon, you just hit reverse, and you go back and forth dozens and dozens of times before you need to replace your ribbon, because even though the ribbon may be short, there's a lot of ink in there and it's going to last you a long time. This is your touch selector over on the right, And that just determines how hard these strike bars are going to strike your paper, and it's strictly personal preference. Okay, let's close that, and your color selector is right here. Now the SM4, instead of having the tabs in the back, they'll have the tab selectors right here. That's the difference. But the Olympia SMs, they just have a beautiful streamlined look. I love the chrome accents on it. Let's go ahead and do a typing demo. All right, so you just set the paper right there. No need to press it down, and just pull that through, push up the arm, back down, and then pull it through. Look, that's perfect. But if it was crooked, that's when you would pull the paper release forward, and you could adjust the paper, because what that does is it releases the tension that's on that paper. Make sure this bar is on the outside of your paper and holding that down. I'm going to check my margins. I like to bring them in for the demo. And let's go ahead and do some typing. So there's no number 1. You use the lowercase l, and it's a 1958 Olympia SM3. Wow, this is in great condition. Hold on. So fantastic. Okay, if you are a writer, you need this typewriter. Oh my goodness. Not only does the outside look like it's in pristine condition, it looks like a brand new machine, but the font on this is beautiful. I really love the look of it. And the keystroke is, I need a new adjective. How do I describe this? It's ooh la la, you know? Wow. Easy peasy. So if you're a beginner, you will adjust well to this, but it will also spoil you. Olympias are such fantastic typing machines, it just spoils you for anything else. Wow! Ooh, if you are a fast typist, you need this. I'm going to put it on black. This types like an electric. It types that easy. Backspace is right here. Oh, that bell is so cute. If you're a fast typist, you have to have this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this typewriter is like going, come on, bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. This will handle all you fast-fingered people. Woo! This one gets an A++, probably the best typing Olympia I've had, and I've had a lot of good ones. This one feels like it just came from the manufacturer. It's that good, and it's that fast, and it can handle you. It's like, oh yeah, I can do it. So if you've got, this is not meant to be sitting on a shelf. This is meant to go to somebody who's going to be writing on this baby all the time. So pass this along to those of you who are like that, or you know people who are like that. This is a special machine. Thanks so much for watching. Check out the link below for all the up-close images of the font, of the typewriter, and everything else. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Thanks so much for watching, and have a blessed day.